Hello everyone, I am Felix Menezes and today I have come here and we are solving few questions on AP chapter. This is our part 3 of AP. We have solved 9 questions in the previous video and today we are continuing from there. Okay? If you have not watched the previous videos, please watch them and then proceed ahead. The first question here. The first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350. The first term is 17. The last term is 350. First write the given things, okay, properly. The common difference is 9. The common difference is 9. How many terms are there? How many terms are there in the sense n? What is their sum? Sn is equal to question mark. Whenever any question comes, please write the given thing and then proceed with the answer part, okay? An, take this formula. An, which is equal to 350. Open the formula. A plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 350. A is 17, right? 17 plus n. N is not known, so n minus 1 into d. D is 9, which is equal to 350. Getting the point? Plus 17 becomes minus 17. N minus 1 into 9, which is equal to 350 minus 17 is, 10 minus 7, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, n minus 1 into 9 becomes division of 9. 9 ones are 9, 3s are 27, 6 remains, okay, 6 remains, 9 sevens are 63. I got n minus 1, which is equal to 37. What would I get n? This would become plus that side. N is equal to 37 plus 1. N is equal to 38. Getting the point? I've got n as 38. And now once I get my n 38, I'm supposed to find Sn. By which formula? Because your last term is given, use that formula which last term is there. Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus l. Okay, last term formula. Sn is 38 upon 2 a. The first term is 17 plus the last term 350. 350. 2 ones are 2 how much are? 2 ones are and 2 nines are 2 19s are. Okay, this addition is a 367. So you got your Sn which is a, okay, write here properly. Sn, that is a, we are not finding Sn, we are finding S38 because n we have found is 38. So S38, wherever n is there, they are supposed to put 38. Okay, S38, which is equal to 19 into how much is this? 367. Multiply this both, you would get your answer. Okay, 19 sevens are 133, 133, 19 6 are 114, 114, and this is 127. 127, 19 3s are 57 plus 2 9 and that is a 69. 6973 S38. S38 you got 6973. Okay, write your final answer S38. Therefore S38 is equal to 6973, your final answer. If you have understood, multiply this on your own. Okay, don't waste your time in multiplication. Learn the multiplication properly. Don't go it wrong. Okay, please take the screenshot and then let's proceed to the next one. You can use the bigger formula also, but the smaller formula makes it easy. Okay, the ninth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the second term. 7 times whom? The second term. The ninth term of an AP is equal to 7 times the second term. And the 12th term exceeds. What is the meaning of exceeds? Exceeds means addition. Okay, is more. Okay, exceeds. The 12th term. The 12th term exceeds. Who it exceeds? It exceeds 5 times the third term by 2. It exceeds 5 times the third term by how much? By 2. Exceeds in the sense addition. Getting the point? Yeah. Ninth term. The formula for ninth term is A plus how much D? 8D, 7 times a plus how much d? D, 1d. Okay, just multiply this both. You got 7a plus 7d. Here as it is a plus 8d. Who is bigger? A is bigger or 7a is bigger? 7a is bigger, take this that side, take this side. Okay, wherever the bigger is written, take it in that part, or else you would get negative type. And it's also correct, but this is easier way. Okay, 8d minus 7d, which is equal to 7a minus a. What is this? D. Because 8 may say minus 7 and you get D. 7 minus a is a 6d. Equation 1. Wherever it is D, there you can put a 6a. 6a. Okay. Wherever it is D, there you can put 6a because you got 6a from here in this equation. Okay. Get an equation from here. A plus how much D? A plus 11d is equal to 5 times a plus how many d? 2d. Here 3 is there, here 2 will come. Here 11, 12 is there, 11 will come. Here 2 is there, 1 will come. Here 9 is there, 8 is going to come. Plus 2. A plus 11d. Okay. A plus how many d? 11d. 5 times a plus 10d is equal plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so now take this everything that side. Okay, here 0 is going to remain, which is equal to 5a minus a is nothing but 4a, 10d minus 11d is minus d plus 2. Getting the point? I have skipped one step for here for my understanding, but you can do it. Okay, aram se. 0 is equal to 4a as it is minus 6d, sorry, minus d, and d is how much? 6a. So 6a plus 2. How much is this? Minus 2a plus 2. 0 is equal to. Get this to this side, it would become minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to minus 2a. Minus 2 cancel. 1 would remain here is equal to a. Don't consider 0 is going to remain. Okay, in division this has come down and got divided, so 1 is going to remain. You got your a, and that is your equation 2. Put your equation 2 in this. Okay, so you get d. D is equal to 6 times a. A is how much? 1. D is equal to 6 ones are 6. I've taken this equation, put it in this. Okay, you can write all those steps. Put equation 2 in 1. Okay, so you just take 6 ones are 6. You got your a and d. What they've asked us to find? Sum of 30 terms. Okay, yes, 30. What is the formula for S30? Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 30 upon 2, 2 times a, it is a is how much? 1, 2 into 1 plus n is how much? N, 30. Wherever here n is written, no, here 30 we are writing. So n is 30, no? So n minus 1, that is 20, 30 minus 1 into d. D is 6. So just write 6. Go on solving. 2 ones are 2, 15s are 15, 2 plus 29 into 6. Keep on solving. 15, 6 nines are 54, 6 twos are 12, 17 plus 2. 15 into 176. And now your final answer, you can multiply it aram se, S30, which is equal to, and write a final answer here. Okay, 15 6 is 90, 9 here, 0 here. 15 7s are 105 plus 9, 114, 114. 15 ones are 15 plus 11 is 26, 2640. 2640. Just confirm once. 15 6 are 90, 9 here, 0 here. 15 7s are 105 plus 9 is 114. Yes, 114. Perfect. 15 ones are 15 plus 11 is 126. Sorry, it's just 26. 15 ones are 15 plus 11, 26. Yeah, correct. The answer is, the final answer is written here, and that's your final answer. Okay. If you have not written it yet, if you have not solved it, take the screenshot of this answer. 2640 is your final answer. Okay. Let's solve the next sum. Very nice sum. Very beautiful sum. Find the four terms of AP whose sum is 20. Sum is how much? 20. And sum of their squares is 180. Sum is 20. If I add four terms, it is 20. But if I add their squares, it is how much? 180. Okay. So let's assume the four terms. Let us assume four terms as a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Okay, whatever is minus here, that should be plus here. Why have I taken this? Because these are the four terms where I can solve easily. I could have also taken a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, but that would become again little difficult. This is easy. This terms will make the sum easy. So take these four terms whenever four terms wala question comes in your exam. Okay. So now let's solve it. If three terms comes, then just take just take a minus d. Okay, a and a plus d. These are the three terms. Whenever three terms come, no, three terms. Take this. Four terms come, take this. Two terms, take the general thing only. Okay. Please write and take if you have not known this. Okay, three terms sum. Yeah, let's solve this sum. Sum of the four terms, these are the four terms. This is the first term, the second term, the third term, and the fourth term. So sum of all these terms is how much? 20. So let's take a minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d is equal to how much? 20. Here minus 3d, see it's getting cancelled, so we use these four terms. Okay, 4a is equal to 20 and a is equal to 20 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 5s are, a is equal to how much? A is equal to 5. I hope you have understood why we have choose these four terms, so that the solution becomes easier. Okay, and now something else is also said. Sum of their squares is 180. So sum of these four terms ka square. Okay, let's take the square of these four terms and their sum. A minus 3d square plus a minus d square plus a plus d square plus a plus 3d a plus 3d square is equal to 180. Getting the point? What have I done? I am taking the square of their terms. Okay, sum of the squares of the terms I am taking. Okay, open this with the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 6ad. A square plus b square minus 2ab, the formula. A minus b whole square formula. Okay, same here. Open this also. A square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2ad. Same here. A square plus b square plus 2ad. Here also same. A square plus b square, that is 9d square, plus 2ab, that is 6ad, is equal to 180. Getting the point? Yeah. Minus 6ad plus 6ad gets cancelled. Minus 2ad plus 2ad also got cancelled. You have to do it very carefully. Okay. A square 1, 2, 3, 4. Anywhere else? Check. This is d. Okay, d. So 4 a squares. D is how many are there? 9, 10, 11, 20. Anywhere else? No. Plus 20 d square, which is equal to 180. Divided by 4 on both the sides. 4 cancel. 4 ones are 4 5s are. 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. 2 remains. 4 5s are 20. So a square plus 5d square is equal to 45. And gentlemen, a is given. So 5 square plus 5d square is equal to 45. 5 square is 25 plus 5d square is equal to 45. 25 becomes minus that side. 5d square, which is equal to 45 minus 25. So 5d square, which is equal to 20. 5 ones are 5 fours are, d square is equal to 4. So d would become under root 4. D is nothing but plus or minus 2. Getting the point? So see how I have found the value of d. It can be either plus or minus because under root 4 is either plus or minus. Okay. So let's only take it to plus 2 for writing the 4 terms, because what they have asked us, find the 4 terms of AP. They have asked us the 4 terms, so you are supposed to write all the 4 terms. Okay. Let the 4 terms, the answer I am writing it here. Okay. Answer I am writing it here. So what is A? A is 5. What is D? D is a plus 2. Either of the following you can take. Okay, D is, let us take D is plus 2. So 5 minus 6, 3 2s are 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. The first term is minus 1. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is a 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So these are our 4 terms. Okay. Once more I am saying, we are not supposed to write A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D as our 4 terms. We are supposed to take these 4 terms. And also final answer would be from these only. So if we have taken A as 5. 5 minus 3 into D is how much? D is 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 in negative. Okay. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 would be how much? Minus 1. Okay. I am not writing it so that you all understand all these things by your mind itself. You can do it mentally, need not write all these things. Okay, it's a beautiful sum which may also come for 4 marks in your exam. So please make a note of this important sum. Okay, and take the screenshot. Later on you can write it properly. The next sum. Wow, beautiful sum. Okay, which term of the AP is the first negative term? First negative term. Which term is negative? AP may consist many terms in which they are asking which is the first negative term. Okay, please try to solve it on your own. See, this AP is going decreasing order, no? It is getting decreased. So one negative term is going to come. Later on, one negative term is going to come. Which term is that negative term? They are asking us, okay? That too they are asking us first negative term. There are many negative terms in that. Only the first one they are asking. So we should know that the last term would be smaller than 0. Correct? The last term should be smaller than 0 because the negative term is smaller than 0. So the last term is smaller than 0. Okay? What is the first term? A is given, that is the 41. D is also given, that is minus 4. Correct? 37 minus 41 is minus 4. Correct? Open this. They are asking us n. Okay? A plus n minus 1 into D is smaller than 0. A is how much? 41 plus n minus 1 into D. D is also minus 4. Put a bracket, it is a multiplication, is smaller than 0. See, why have I taken smaller than 0? Because it's not 0. They're not asking us which term is 0. They're asking us which term is negative term. So 0 is not a negative term, okay? Now multiply this to both. So 41 as it is plus, 41, then we get minus, 4 into minus n, minus 4 into n is minus 4n, minus into minus plus 4, which is smaller than 0. What is 41 plus 4? Is 45. Minus 4 becomes plus 4 that side, greater than plus 4n. Correct? 4 would come down. This is working like an is equal to sign only here, okay? Don't worry about this sign. Comes down 45 upon 4, which is smaller than n, okay? n is greater than this both. Divide them. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are. How much is remaining? 1 is remaining, so 2 5. Okay, so n, we have got 11.25 is smaller than n. So my dear students, how to read this? Read it from n. n is greater than 11.25. n can never be in decimals. n can never be in fractions, n has to be a whole number. So n is greater than 25, so greater than 11.25, which whole number comes? 12. So n which is equal to 12. Okay, here you can write since here you can write in English since n cannot be in decimals, therefore n is equal to 12. Okay, beautiful sum. It's not in NCERT, but such sums may come in your exams also. Okay, see how have I solved it. Also try to solve it on your own. Okay, next. I hope you have taken the screenshot. The 14th sum, the 14th numerical. Okay, the sum of first 6 terms of AP is 42. The sum of first 6 terms S6 is equal to 42. Very easy. The ratio, see I have taken one ratio sum. It's not in NCERT, but such sums may come, such problems may come in exam also. The ratio, what is the meaning of ratio? Ratio stands for rational. Ratio stands for division. Okay, rational numbers are P by Q. Keep in your mind. The ratio of 10th to its 30th term is 1:3. So 10th to its 30th term is 1/3. Okay. Find the 13th term. A13 is asked. A13 is a question mark. A13 is a question mark. See, things are given here. Try to use those things and try to find the answer. Okay. S6. The formula for S6 is n/2. N is 6, no? n/2. Okay, into 2a plus n minus 1. N minus 1 I can write 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is I know 5. So I'll write directly 5. D is equal to 42. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 1s are 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 2a plus 5d which is equal to 14. Equation 1. See how fast have I done the equation 1. Don't waste your time in all these things. Okay. Get your equations as soon as possible in your exam. Next you got A10. A10 is how much? A plus 9D. A30. A plus 29D is equal to 1/3. As it is, I have written. A10 I have written as it is. A30 I have written as it is. Okay. 10 means here 9 would come. A30 means here 29 would come. This come and multiply this side. This goes that side. So 3 times A plus 9D is equal to A plus 29D. So 3A plus 9 3s are 27D is equal to A plus 29D. Okay, just see. Now take this A and come this side and this 27 that side. Okay, so what you would get? 3A minus A is equal to 29D minus 27D. So 3A minus A is how much? 2A. How much is this? 2A. 2D. 2 gets cancelled. A and D both are equal. Okay, A and D both are same. So now once you know both A and D are same, consider this as equation 2. Substitute here, substitute 1 in. So in place of A you can write D, or in place of D you can write A, either of the following. Okay, let's take 2A plus 5 times A is equal to 14. Both are A only, so in place of D I have put A. 7A is equal to 14. 7 would come down. A is equal to 14 upon 7. 7 on the 7 2s are. A is equal to 2. You got your A2. So obviously D is also same. So D is also 2. Okay. A is 2. Then D is also much. Because both are same. A and D both are 2 2. You are supposed to find the 13th term. So A13 which is equal to A plus 12D. 2 plus 12 into 2. 2 plus 24, 26 is your answer, A13. See how you all are supposed to solve it, okay? Very easy sum, very beautiful sum. Please take the screenshot. Let's go to the next one. Which term of the AP will be 72 more than its 41st term? So there are many terms in this. Okay, this is an AP 8, 14, 20, and so on. For A, 41 is also there. And they're asking us, as there's one term ahead. If you add 72 to that term, you would get one term here. Okay, which term is that? They're asking n of this term. Get the point? Read it once more. Which term of AP will be 72 more than its 41st term? If you add 72 to the 41st term, you would get one number. You would get one term. That term is which term they're asking. It can be first, it can be 48th term, it can be 50th term, it can be 60th term, anything term, okay? So how to solve such terms? Let us assume this is last term. So last term is how much? 72 more than the 41th term. NCERT also like this one question is there, okay? Similar question. So last term formula A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 72 plus, what is this? A plus 40D. And the point, A and A both are same on the same side, same sign, different sides, okay? Signs are same on the different sides. You have to cancel it. D is given, so 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 would be 6. So D is 6. 6 into n is 6n, minus 6 into 1 is 6, is equal to 72 plus 46. 4 6 are 24, 240. Get the point? So here, if I add this both, what would I get? 2, 11, that is 312 plus 6. This minus 6 would come and become plus 6 here. 6n. So add this both, it would become 318. 6n is 318. 6 would go down, n which is equal to 318 upon 6. 6 ones are 6, 5s are 30, 1 remains 6, 3s are 18, n is nothing but 53rd term. The 53rd term would be 72 more than the 41st term, okay? You can just write all the terms, you would find that 51st term is 72 more than the 41 term, okay? So now, I hope you will have understood this. Take the screenshot. Easily I have solved it, okay? Take the next sum. The next sum. The third term of AP is 7. The third term of AP is 7. Seventh term of AP exceeds, I have said exceeds is nothing but plus. 3 times the third term by 2. Find the 20th term and also find the nth term. See, nth term. They have asked nth term. I have taken this question because such problems have come and students have left such question in their exam also. I have seen many exam papers in which people could not understand what is the meaning of nth term. Okay. Now let's write the given part. The third term of AP is 7. The seventh term, second equation, okay. The seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term. 3 times the third term by 2. By 2 means plus 2. Okay, it is exceeding by 2. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term is which is equal to question mark. Okay, and also find the nth term. An is question mark. An is nothing but nth term is nothing but an. Okay, it's nothing, not a big thing. It's directly an. What is equation 1? A plus 2d, which is equal to 7, equation 1. Here a plus 6d, 3 times a plus 2d plus 2. Multiply it for both, 3a plus 6d plus 2, here a plus 6d. 6d on both the sides get cancelled. 3a becomes minus here, 0 would remain here. 3a minus a plus 2, 2a plus 2 comes here, becomes minus 2, here 0 is there, plus 2 becomes minus here, is equal to 2a, 2 gets cancelled, you go to a value, a is nothing but minus 1, a is nothing but minus 1. Getting the point? Once you get a is minus 1, you are supposed to find d. Equation 2, consider this to be equation 2, substitute 1 in, or 2 in 1. 2 in 1 you are substituting, a is minus 1 plus 2d is equal to 7, minus 1 becomes there plus 2d, which is equal to 8, 7 plus 1 is 8, 2d, sorry, d, you got to answer, no? D is how much? 4. Very good. 2 ones are 2 fours are D is equal to 4. You got your A and you got your D as well. Finding 20th term A20 which is equal to A plus 19D. A is how much? A is minus 1 plus 19 into 4. Okay, 19 fours are 4 ones are 4 plus 3 is 70, 76 minus 1. So minus 76 and that is 75. A20. A20 you have got 75. Okay. Now once you got A20 as 75, just find the nth term. Nth term, how will you find? An which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The formula you are supposed to write. Put the value of A and D. A is minus 1. Keep in mind in your nth term, your n is going to be unknown. Your A is given, A is minus 1 plus n minus 1 into D. D is how much? D is 4. So minus 1 plus n, that is 4 into n is 4n. 4 into 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 becomes minus 5. So your nth term would be 4n minus 5. Keep in mind that your n is going to be unknown. N value is not known, so it is unknown. Sir, can you take n value as 20? No. No n value will be given or no n value will be used to find nth term. Okay, nth term n is unknown. Understood? Okay. Beautiful sum. Take the screenshot of this sum and let's go to the next one. If the sum of first 7 terms of AP is 49, sum of first 7 terms is 49. And that of 17 terms is 289. That of 17 terms is 17. That of means 7. Again, same sum is continued. Is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. See, again, Sn is asked. N is unknown again here also. I've taken this sum purposely so that you understand whenever Sn is asked or first n terms is asked, n will be unknown. Get the point? So here, can you see 7 square? 7 square is 49. 17 square is 289. What would be the answer? N square is your answer. Okay, final answer I'm saying. It's your final answer. But still we are supposed to solve it. So let's solve it. Okay. S7 is given, S17 is given, Sn is asked. Open the formula. S7 n 7 upon 2, that is n upon 2, 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. So what have I done? N upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6, d is equal to 49. 7 ones are 7 sevens are. Take 2 common out of 2. Here what would remain? A plus 3d is equal to 7. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. A plus 3d is nothing but how much? 7, equation 1. How I have done here? So fast, crisp. Do the same here. Yes, 17. 17 upon 2. Correct? N upon 2. Under the formula has to come. 2a plus 17 minus 1. 17 minus 1 is 16. D is 289. 17. 17s are 2 common. 2 comes common. What would remain here? A plus 8d, which is equal to 17. 2 gets cancelled. A plus 8d is 17. You got your equation 2. Equation 1 is here. Equation 2 is here. Underneath, you write equation 1 here. A plus 3d, which is equal to 7. Okay. Those are equation 1. Solving them by elimination method. Negative, negative, negative. Cancel. 5d, which is equal to 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. D is equal to 2. You got equation 3. That is D equals to equation 3. D equals to how much? 2. Once you got a D is 2, take this equation and try to find value of A. A plus 8 twos are is equal to 17. A is equal to 8 twos are 16 becomes minus that side. 17 minus 16 A is equal to 1. Once you get a is 1, your D is also given here 2, but N is unknown for this Sn. Okay, Sn you are supposed to find a Sn which is equal to N upon 2 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Put the values of A and D. A is 1, so put Sn is equal to N upon 2. A is how much? A is 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus N minus 1 into D. Take the value of D as 2. So the value of D is given 2, so use it 2. N upon 2 into 2 as it is. Multiply this 2 for both. 2 n's are 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. N upon 2 into 2n remains. N 2 gets cancelled. N into n is n square. Sn is equal to n square. We had predicted the answer before solving the question. The answer has come n square. You have to remember such questions and go Sn is equal to n square. Okay. Beautiful question. NCERT question. Okay. Try to take a screenshot and then let's proceed to the next one. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Yeah, another 2 or 3 questions. The 18th question. AP consists 50 terms. Is an AP which is consisting 50 terms. N is equal to 50. The sum of first 9 terms is 144. Yes, 9 is 144. Its ninth term is 28. Ninth term is 28. Find the sum of middlemost terms. The middlemost terms. Here n is 50. So middlemost terms would be 25 would be the middle term and 26. No, A26. N by 2 and n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So now this is asked. So let's take S9 and A9 form. Okay. S9 will be 9 upon 2. See how I will write it. Okay. Right. I'm not doing it shortcut. I'm writing as it is. S9 which is equal to 144. S9 formula 9 upon 2, that is n upon 2, 2 times A plus n minus 1. Don't take n is 50 here, okay? N is 9. In this, n is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. D is 144. Now, take 2 common and same cancel. 9 ones are, 9 ones are, 5 remain, 9 are, 6 are, 54. Okay, take 2 common, 2 upon 2, which is equal to A plus 4D equals to 16. 2 also gets cancelled. A plus 4D, which is equal to 16, equation 1. Okay. See how I have solved the previous sum also. We have taken same common, we have cancelled the same way. Okay, and you got equation 2 as A plus 8D is nothing but 28. Equation 2. Okay, from this we got equation 2. No, from this we got equation 2. The ninth term is 28. So ninth term we know A plus 8D it is. So solve them by elimination method. Negative, 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 cancelled. What is 4 minus D is minus 4D, which is equal to 16 minus 28 is negative. Okay, now just subtract it. 12. Okay, so minus minus would get cancelled. 4 ones are, 4 threes are. So D value you got as 3. Equation 3. Substitute 3 in either 1 or 2. Substitute in 1. So what would have happened? A plus 4 into 3 is equal to 16. 4 threes are 12. A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is 4. So you got A and D. Whatever they are asking, you can find now. Okay. A25 is nothing but A plus 24D plus A plus how much? A plus 25. A plus 25D. Okay. This is equal to. So A value you know. A25 plus A26 is equal to. Okay. So now you know A value. A is how much? First of all, count the A's. There are 2 A's. So 2 times A plus how many D's? 49D. Correct? So 2 times A. A is 4. 2 times 4 plus 49 times D. So our D is 3. 2 4s are 8 plus 27, 12, 14. Just add it 15, 5, 1. That answer, the final answer would be 155. 825 plus 826 is equal to 155. Let's confirm the answer. Okay, A 24 plus 820, yeah, 825 plus 826, yeah, correct. So A is 2 times 49, 2 times A is 4, yes, 4, 49, 3 is 49, 3 is 27, 12, 13, 14, yeah, correct, and you got the answer correct. That's your answer. Take the screenshot. I hope you have understood. One doubt you must be having, how did this both come? Okay, whenever here there are 50 terms, the middlemost term would be 25 and another term would be 26. Okay, 25, 26 term, n upon 2 and n plus 1 upon 2, or n plus 2 upon 2, sorry. Okay, last second sum of the chapter, most probably from my side. Yeah, last second term, last second question, sorry. The angles of triangles are in AP. That this is a triangle. The angles of the triangle are in AP. AP in the sense, this is A, this is A plus D, this is A plus 2D. Okay. The smallest angle is angle 15 degree. Smallest angle, let us consider A is a 15 degree. 15 degree. Okay. So A is nothing but 15. So here also A is 15 plus D. Here what it is? 15 plus 2D. 15 plus 2D. This is angle A, B and C. We all know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C would be 180 degree. This is the reason. What is the reason? Angle sum property of triangle. Correct? So angle A is nothing but 15 plus angle B is 15 plus D. 15 plus D. Angle C is 15 plus 2D. 15 plus 2D. And the pointer, 15, 15 plus D, 15 plus 2D is equal to 180. 180. 15 is 3 times, so it is 45 plus 3D is equal to 180. 45 become minus that side, 3D, which is equal to 180 minus 45. So 3D, which is equal to, just remove 45 from this. If you remove 50, it would be 130. So 135, correct? So 3 goes down. D is equal to 135 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. 1 remains, 3 fives are 15. So D is 45. Getting the point? D is 45. What they have asked? The angles of the triangle. Okay, find the angles of the, find all the angles they have asked. So angle A, which is given, that is a 15. Correct? Angle A is 15. Angle B would be 15 plus 45. Angle B 15 plus 45, which is equal to 60 degree. Angle C is 15 plus 2 times 45. 15 plus 2 times 45. So 15 plus 90 is nothing but 105. Verify whether this addition of all three is becoming 180 or no. Okay, addition of all three. 105 plus 15, 120, 120 plus 60, yeah, perfect. So angle C is how much? Angle C is 105. So you have to box such answers, okay, so that your teachers get your answers very easily while checking your paper. Okay, therefore angle A kitna ho? Angle A is 15, angle B is 60, angle C is 105. You got the answer. All three are in degrees. Okay, write the degrees. I hope you have understood. Easy sum. I've just taken it for time pass. Okay, take the screenshot. Let's go to the last sum of the day, and this is the sum. After this, we'll be having one more video in which I'll be doing 10 such questions. but that will be later on. Okay. The sum of first n terms of AP is n square minus 8n. Sn is given sum of first n term. Sn is given n square minus 8n. Find the 12th term. A12 is asked. Now you should know this formula. This sum I have taken purposely. You should know this formula. An, which is equal to Sn minus 1. This formula is this is the formula, Baba. This is the formula. I hope you all know that formula. Okay. Now how to solve? Because it is A12, we should know A12 minus A11. No. So find S12 minus S11. So find S12. S12 is equal to 12 square minus 8 times 12. 8 times 12. 12 square is 144 minus 12 8s are 96. So subtract, you will get your S12. Okay. S12 is 14 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. And 13 minus 9 is 4. 48. Okay. If I am not wrong. Okay. Just 1 second. 14 minus 6 is 8. Correct. And 13 minus 4. S12 we've got. Now find S11 again from the same formula. S11. S11 is 11 square minus 8 into 11. So 11 square is 121 minus 8 11s are 88. S11 is equal to, you would get your answer here. Okay. Just subtract this both. That is 11 minus 8 is 3. And 11 minus 8 is again 3. 33. You got your S12 and S11. Just find A12. So A12, according to this formula, A12 would be S12. S12 minus S11. The formula is very simple. Whenever n say one chota number will come here. Okay, 12 say one chota number 11. So A12, which is equal to S12, 48. 48 minus 33. Minus how much? 33. So A12, which is equal to 5 and 1, 15. A12 is how much? 15. And that is how you are supposed to solve such questions. Okay. I know these questions were little different from your NCERT questions. Okay. Not anything else. We have come to 20th question. Another 10 questions will be in the next video. Okay. Wait for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much.